take toi. So we're gonna give this a try. We put a new, what did we call that?
I don't know.
Ignition, I think is what it's called.
Hopefully it works this
We put in a new ignition, and hopefully I did it right this time, else the one will have to do it. We have any more of those just in case?
Uh-huh.
How many more?
Like 2 or 3.
Okay, so
Can you hold
did
this
the
too?
continuity test, and it looks good. So we're gonna give it another try. You guys ready? Ready for the countdown?
Can you see?
Let's do the countdown. Ready?
Ready? 10,
9,
9,
8,
8,
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh! Oh, there it is! Yoshi! Look! There it goes! Look at that!
Where did it go?
There it is! Over there going towards the parking lot. Wow!
Kareem! Watch Yoshi! I want to help!
Oh my goodness! There he goes! Wow! It landed in the parking lot where we parked. Did you guys see that? Did you see it, Yoshi? You saw the rocket?
That was awesome! But also it scared me.
Did you smell the sulfur? Smells like fart. Yoshi, the rocket went. Did you see it?
Yeah. See a bucket?
Huh?
I see a bucket.
Yes, it's gone. It's gone. Yoshi, Dwan just went to pick the rocket up. Look, he's coming with the rocket. Man, that rocket went really high, huh?
That went all the way up there.
Wow.
Higher than my kite.
Ah, yes. Yes, higher than the kite. There's Dwan coming. Yes, plane.
The second one's not there.
See it over there?
Oh, it's going farther than that one.
Yeah, maybe it's... Huh? It worked? Come and let's see what the rocket looks like. Man, you saw how high that went? Almost thought it would hit that plane. Look, see the rocket, Yoshi?
I thought it was going to hit it.
Yoshi, see the rocket?
Did you see Rocket go boom?
Rocket flew high.
And the thing is, you can
Like the
launch
parachute
again.
like burnt.
Where did it land in the parking lot?
Almost into the woods. It was right on the edge. At the end of the parking lot, had a little thing that went like that, and then there's bushes.
I thought it landed on the
But I'll show you when we get there.